So if you didn't recently hear, Apple wants Facebook advertisers to stop following around iPhone users around the internet. Let's not beat around the bush here, but find out what this really means for Facebook advertisers like myself and potentially even you. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Yash. I hope each and every single one of you guys is absolutely having a great day and a great week. As someone who actively talks about digital marketing and especially Facebook ads on this channel, I wanted to address this article that I just came across just last week. If you couldn't already tell by the title of this video, Apple is planning in their new iOS 14 update an option for users to actually not see Facebook ads. If you haven't been updated with the news, that's completely fine. I just found out about this a few days ago, like I said, when I came across a bunch of articles and people also sending me a whole bunch of articles regarding this specific issue. Essentially, with Apple's new iOS 14 update coming out, they will give their users an option to not be shown ads from Facebook. Now, obviously, in hindsight, this is a good thing as the internet is expanding, as people's information is getting more and more out there. You know, people should definitely have an option if they want to be shown ads, or, you know, if they want their information out there at all in any shape, way, or form. However, what does this really mean for Facebook advertisers? If this is your first time watching a video on my channel, and if you already do not know, I primarily utilize the Facebook advertising platform to drive traffic and ultimately sales to the several e-commerce businesses that I run. Now, I've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars on Facebook ads over the past 3 years since I've gotten into e-commerce dropshipping. Not only that, but my digital marketing agency has also spent for clients hundreds and thousands of dollars, and in return has also generated millions in collective revenue for our clients that we're serving. Now, you may be holding your breath till this point, but let's actually debunk and dive a little bit deeper into one of these articles I came across a few days ago. To sum things up very briefly, this article is essentially stating that when iOS 14 is installed in iPhones, they will essentially get an option or some sort of pop-up if they want to basically be shown ads across Facebook. However, this does not mean on the entire Facebook ads platform. You can go ahead and release that breath. Go ahead, we can do it together. Rather, this is going to be primarily affecting the audience network placement through Facebook ads. Now, if you already aren't familiar with Facebook ads have multiple options in terms of where you want to display your ads. As an e-commerce business owner, I've been getting most of my traction for the past 2 to 3 years from 3 different placements: Instagram feed, Facebook feed, and Instagram stories. Occasionally, when I am running retargeting or lookalike ads through Facebook, I will select manual placements, and that audience network placement will also be tick marked, but it is very, very rare I will get most of my traction, yet alone sales, from the audience network placement. The audience network placement is where actually ads are shown for different app downloads and stuff like that. Now, obviously, there's several businesses using Facebook ads that are in different industries and not only e-commerce. Nonetheless, assuming most of you guys that are watching are into e-commerce and are actually using Facebook ads to drive traffic for your e-commerce business, we shouldn't really worry too much because the audience network placement should not be affecting us too much. Facebook also responded in their Facebook for Business page that it will be disproportionately affecting the audience network placement only. There may be even a chance that they may be completely removing that placement in the near future. We really don't know what it is. Now, I'm not sure if this means that the other placements will be having a higher cost because there is more demand of ads and less supply, meaning actual less space and more of a bidding war. I honestly do not know what this means in the next few months for Facebook ads and us advertisers. Maybe things may remain the same, maybe costs may go up significantly higher, maybe they may even go lower. I can confidently say that ever since 2017, since the time I've been utilizing Facebook ads, the costs on there have been naturally going up because there's more and more demand of utilizing the advertising platform. I do have some Facebook shares and I do have some Apple shares in the stock market as well. I am also a big supporter of iOS devices, as you can tell. However, I completely understand why each company is doing what they're doing. Overall, I do recommend, if you're into e-commerce dropshipping or want to get into e-commerce and utilize Facebook ads for your business, to hop on the platform as soon as possible, especially because we are approaching Q4. The last 3 or 4 months of the year is where I see costs go through the roof because there are so many advertisers on the platform and the bidding war is so high. Whether you're solely an e-commerce entrepreneur or you're an overall digital marketer, I highly recommend to stay flexible, adaptable, and pivotable as well when times do come like this. Obviously, this is not going to be a make it or break it factor, but we do not know what is yet to come for the future of digital marketing and us advertisers. So with that being said, you always want to be flexible. You always want to try new marketing platforms. For example, I didn't even touch Facebook ads when I started out first running e-commerce stores. I actually went towards Instagram influencer marketing, learned and mastered that, and then soon transitioned over to Facebook ads. Now, since Facebook ads and Instagram influencers are both my bread and butter as marketing channels, I go on to learn other sorts of paid advertising platforms such as TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, and also Google ads. The following year, I also plan on utilizing YouTube ads for my personal brand, for my agency, and also for my e-commerce stores. All in all, I do want to make sure that you guys are aware of the situation, since I did not see a lot of people talking about this so far. If you do want to be a full-time digital marketer or just be in the space long-term, it's very important to do your due diligence and always to be open and flexible to other platforms and even adapting on the platforms that you are using right now. Never get comfortable and always have a backup as well, is what I'm really saying right here. I will be linking in the description 1 or 2 of the articles I found a few days ago, along with the article Facebook for Business published, so you guys can actually take more of an in-depth view on it. Furthermore, I definitely want to hear your guys' take on this specific matter now that you are more known and more aware about it. So feel free to leave your questions, thoughts, and concerns in the comments below, and I will make sure to reply to each and every single one of you guys. I know this is not one of my typical videos revolving around e-commerce or Facebook ads or branding or anything like that, but I did figure that I want to make you guys aware and known of the situation and to really see what's going around in the space recently. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys drop a huge like on this video. Go down and absolutely smash that like button so this video can help reach and inform as many people in the space as much as possible. And while you're at it, if you are new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys are subscribed with that post notification bell turned on so you guys are updated with all recent videos. Until then, your boy's out and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.